Welcome back to the Beginner's Roadmap. Today's day 3, and today we're digging into one of the most important parts of your camping experience, food. That's right, today we're creating your food and snack checklist. If you're like me, good food can make or break your camping trip. It's easy to overpack, underpack, and just forget items when you're new to camping. So I'm going to walk you through how to plan your meals, what snacks to bring, how to store your food, and a few tips on cooking outdoors stress-free. What's the goal here? You're not trying to be a gourmet chef in the woods. You just want meals that are easy to prepare, keep you fueled and happy all day. I like to break it down like this. Breakfast, quick and filling. Lunches, simple and packable. Dinners, easy but hot and satisfying. Snacks, grab and go, no prep. Drinks, hydration is just the key. So you're probably wondering how many meals you're going to need. Let's say it's a weekend trip and you'll likely need 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, 2 dinners, snacks for the drive, hikes, and around the fire. Use that as a starting point and adjust for longer trips as you go. So I put together a list of foods that I think would be a good place for you to begin. Now I know everybody's diet and taste is different, so feel free to modify this list for you and your family's needs. This is just a way for me to give you kind of an example of where you can start and what foods you can bring that would be quick and easy. Breakfast ideas. Instant oatmeal packets and hot water. Granola and breakfast bars. Pre-made breakfast burritos, wrapped in foil, heat over the fire. Yogurt and fruit, if you have a cooler. Coffee or tea, instant or pour over. Lunch ideas. PB&J sandwiches. Cold cut wraps. Tuna packets with crackers. Trail mix and fruit. Hard-boiled eggs. Dinner ideas. Hot dogs or sausages and buns. Foil packet meals like chicken, potatoes, and veggies. Canned chili or soup. Boxed mac and cheese. Freeze-dried camping meals. All you have to do is just add water. Pro tip. Don't forget your condiments and spices. Things like ketchup, mustard, hot sauce, sugar, maybe even salt and pepper. I like to have a bunch of spices on my food, so having those is kind of essential for my camping trips. Snacks. Trail mix, crackers and cheese, jerky, s'more supplies, granola bars, chips or popcorn, apples, oranges, and bananas. Drinks. Let's start with water. I recommend you bring lots of water. I would bring individual bottles that go in the cooler. Plus, what we do is we like to take gallon jugs, like old milk jugs or soda bottles, and we fill them up and freeze them ahead of time. So as we use it for ice, and as it thaws out, we can use that as fresh drinking water. Electrolyte drinks and packets, coffee, tea, or hot chocolate, juice boxes or powdered drink mixes. Packing tips. Use a cooler with frozen water bottles to keep things cold. Pre-chopped veggies and marinate meats at home. Group foods by meal in labeled bags. Store all food in sealed bins in your car to avoid animals. Or in some state parks, they actually have bear boxes that you can put your food in. Your food checklist layout. Meals. Breakfast, lunch, dinner plans. Cooler items. Meats, dairy, and fruit. Pantry/dry items. Canned goods, grains, snacks, cooking gear, stove, fuel, utensils, pots and pans, cleaning gear, sponge, soap, dish towel, trash bag. Since we're on the subject of cooking and cleaning gear, I want to take a minute and tell you about a video we put together. We put together a video about our campfire cooking kit ideas and more. Now that video, we walk you through step by step showing you exactly what we keep in our camp kitchen. So I'd highly recommend you go over and check it out. I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video, or you could just check out the suggested videos. For the next part of the video, I'm going to put together an example of a food checklist. Now these are foods that we've already added into our list already. Feel free to change things up for you and your family. This is just going to be an example of a 2-day trip. Example 2-day list. Breakfast: 4 oatmeal packets, 2 breakfast burritos, instant coffee and creamer. Lunches: bread, peanut butter and jelly, tuna and crackers, trail mix. Dinners: hot dogs and buns and condiments like mustard or ketchup. Foil packets: chickens, carrots, potatoes. I like to do steak and peppers and onions. Chips, veggies, and fruit. Free snacks: granola bars, jerky, s'mores kit. Drinks: 1 gallon of water, Gatorade powder, hot cocoa packets. Now keep in mind that you're going to have to modify this per person that's camping with you. This was just an example for a one person. Now as far as water goes, like I said, you can buy the jugs or individual bottles, but we like to keep more than 1 gallon per person. Your homework for day 3. Decide how many meals you'll need. Plan 2 to 3 simple options per meal. Start your food shopping list. Organize food by type and meal. Tomorrow's where it all starts to come together. We'll talk about organizing and packing your camping gear so you're not scrambling around last minute. You're doing great. Keep going, and we'll see you tomorrow on the Beginner's Roadmap. This is day 3, and today we're digging into one of the most already first line, baby. Welcome back to Beginner's Roadmap. Today's day 3, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most important experiences. Welcome back to the Beginner's Roadmap. Today we're digging into one of the most important So I'm going to walk you through what plans the meals. Oh boy. I compiled a list of foods to keep.